Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Today, we're joined by Bloomberg's Tatiana Darie. Tatiana, what are you looking at today?
Looking at Kraft Heinz, those shares are down about 1.5%, pairing a steeper drop from earlier after surprising plans to halt the split in two. That's a reversal from weeks after bringing in a CEO with experience to break up a food company. So Steve Cahilan took over on January 1st, said he made the decision to temporarily hold the breakup of the company to concentrate on bolstering profitability. Remember, the plan was to separate the company's fastest growing brands from the slower growing brands, and that breakup was essentially intended to undo Kraft Heinz $46 billion mega merger from a decade ago. Warren Buffett really championed that one, but has since also expressed disappointed because since then shares have fallen by about 2/3. So just last month, Berkshire Hathaway said they're seeking to sell their 28% stake in the packaged food company, and shares here have not been doing really well. So to investors, there's real confusion about this reversal right now.
But maybe the reversal also helps keep Berkshire Hathaway around. Who knows? What's the second stock you're watching?
Looking at Lyft, also shares down 15% after a disappointed forecast that missed Wall Street expectations and fourth quarter revenue coming in below estimates. The market is taking this basically as a sign that the company's global expansion and new product offerings are just not performing as quickly as anticipated. And to a lot of the analysts, Waymo's aggressive expansion continues to be the cause of that. We've also seen some of those cracks in Uber earnings, and analysts here are saying that this partnership with robo-taxis will take years to grow and become profitable for the ride-sharing companies like Uber and Lyft. And even a forecast from Bloomberg here saying that robo-taxis will double this year. So real competition there for Lyft and Uber. And really the stock here is back to where it was a year ago, basically flat, undoing some of those earlier gains.
Yesterday I took a ride share for a variety of New Jersey transit issues. So I go to Uber. Boom, $32. I say, okay, I'll go to Lyft, $25.
See?
Boom.
Yeah.
I take the Lyft.
Done.
And if you have a credit card, like the Chase Sapphire card, sometimes you can get credits with that too.
So I don't get that whole model there. But
wait, $25 to go from Manhattan to
Long Branch.
Oh, so okay.
He said a variety of New Jersey transit.
Yeah, so we're just New Jersey and I were just working it out here over the last couple of days.
It's complicated.
All right, one more.
All right, so at the end, it's Ford. Shares are pairing those gains actually about flat right now. They earlier reported an unexpected profit jump for 2026, even after being hit by a surprise $900 million tariff bill, because the Trump administration said the company could only apply a measure to trim tariffs paid on imported auto parts dating back to November rather than May. It looks like the market is sort of reassessing this report right now. Adjusted EBITDA seen climbing by about $10 billion in 2026. That is supposed to reverse the decline from last year. But really what stands out in this report is the focus on cost, that the company is seen as finally getting a handle on those costs. A lot of those issues stem from the fire at their aluminum plant. So now they're going to face those higher costs. And earlier, analysts said that this report is overall good, will add to momentum to a stock that's been gaining 49%. So it has a lot of tailwinds there coming from the rollback in emissions, coming back perhaps in consumer demand later this year. At the same time, costs really weighing on this company right now.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.